Hey guys, it's Ash here and I am coming with another video. So this video is a highly requested video. It's basically showing the simple, super simple hair care routine for Noah. This is my son. He is 5 years old. As you can see, his texture I think is a 3B. I don't really know. I don't really know a whole bunch about textures, but if you do, please comment below and let me know what texture he has. You'll be able to see it more in the video. So this is me. I'm just using Hello Hydration's conditioner in his hair, and I did have to use a clarifying shampoo because he did have product buildup from me being lazy and not washing his hair the way I'm supposed to. But that's neither here nor there. So I did let the conditioner sit for about 15 minutes, and then I went ahead and started the actual process. So if you have any questions, leave it in the comment section below. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like these type of videos. Leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys to all of my subscribers that's been rocking with me, and also to my new subscribers. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So I'm going to shut up now and let y'all watch the damn video. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.
Perfect, 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 perfect.